Hi everybody, I'm Chris, and like I'm sure a lot of you, during shutdown you're finding it very difficult to buy fresh bread. So we decided we'd buy ourselves a bread maker. So today I'm going to show you how to make a 750 gram loaf of bread using 500 grams of flour. So I hope you enjoy watching. And to make a 500 gram, half a kilo loaf, we need 2 tablespoonfuls of butter, 1 teaspoonful of salt, 3/4 of a teaspoonful of dried yeast, 1 teaspoonful of sugar to make the yeast work, 500 grams of flour, bread flour is best, and then 280 milliliters of water. We need to make sure that the container has the mixer in there, and the mixer and the bottom has been lightly spread with butter or margarine to make sure it doesn't stick when the bread is made. So we put in the container, twist it, put it down, and then add the ingredients one at a time. Lightly chopped up so it will all separate. Put in the salt, the yeast, the sugar, flour, and then the water. Now I know it looks a bit of a mess, but once we switch it on, the paddle will mix it up, mix it up, mix it up. Put the lid, and we make sure that the program is on the correct program. Number 1, which will take 2 hours 55 minutes to make bread. And we start, and then the system starts working. So now, as you can see, it's all finished after 2 hours and 55 minutes. It's got a nice brown crust and it smells lovely. So let us get a cloth so we don't burn our hands. Twist out the case and put it over there. It's got a nice brown crust. What I'm going to do now is turn it out onto the board so we can get the mixer from underneath. There we go. Paddle. And just grab out. Slowly, slowly. Careful because it's very hot. And turn over our loaf of bread. Finished. So now we'll cut open the bread and see what it looks like inside. Looking lovely. And smelling lovely too. So now after all that time, let's have a taste. See what it looks like. So it looks all lovely and nice. Let's just cut a little piece off. Still very hot. Lovely. Let's try some with some nice honey. Fresh hot bread with honey.